In the previous two episodes, I told you about three best lenses that you can use for street photography and landscape photography. In today's episode, I'm gonna tell you three best lenses that you can use for portrait photography. And if you're ready, then let's roll the intro. So the first lens that we have in our list is the 35mm f1.4, and being a very wide aperture, you get a very good low light performance and obviously that crispy shallow depth of field. But before talking about all the other lenses, let me tell you something. All the lenses I'm gonna tell you have the 1.8 version also. The 1.8 version is actually very cheap comparing with the f1.4 version, but if you want to really get very professional in portrait photography, I think you must go for the f1.4 or even 1.2 version. So I'm not gonna tell you each and every time with every lens that you can go for f1.8 version, but if you are tight in budget, then obviously you can go for the f1.8 version. So talking about 35mm f1.4, it's mostly used when you want a very wide angle of the model standing and giving pose in a particular situation. So let's give an example. Suppose your model is near an architect or something that's gonna fill your camera. So in that scenario, you also want a little wide field of view so that you can also get that architect or anything that also fills your frame and not only the model fill your frame. So in that scenario, f1.4 35mm is very handy, so you get all the wide things that are filling your frame. So the next lens that we have in our list is 50mm 1.4, and it comes between the 35mm, which is wide, and 85mm, which is very narrow. And yes, 85mm is going to be our next topic. So 50mm is a versatile focal length for portrait photography, and you have to be a little far away from the model when comparing with the 35mm, but you will just fall in love with the outputs that will come from these lenses. So the next lens that we have in our list is the 85mm f1.4, and this lens is used when you want to get that model just in focus and everything in the background out of focus and getting that bokeh. So being f1.4, it will really give you a very nice bokeh and totally a sharp image of the model in the foreground. And obviously all these lenses being 1.4 will have a very low light performance, so if you're also going for low light portrait photography, so the results that are going to come from all these lenses are going to be very professional. But you must also note that while shooting in 85mm, you must be very far away from the model. So also you have to keep in mind that either you have that space so that you can be far away from the model. So these were the three lenses that you can use for portrait photography and get the best professional outputs. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope the video was helpful for you. If you like the video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button below down there. And having that said, see you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye.